Back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to contact support of Ace Crypto account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Ace application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, when you are directed to your home page, scroll down to the bottom of this page and you can see Need Support option and click on Contact Support button there. After that, you will be directed to another page. You can submit a request by clicking on this drop-down menu and selecting the problem you have. You can also tap on this icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen and you can chat with the assistant here. Also, if you want to call or text, you can select these numbers here and contact the support of Ace Crypto account. So that is how you can contact support on Ace Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.